To set the smaller line 20 durable snap, here we of course have some softer leather, and we just push it through. Here again, it's important to have the proper size hole. Set it in the proper size anvil, or the proper size cavity in the anvil. Put the female part over there. Take the driver, set it on the eyelet, and rotate as you tap. And we have a good female part. Now we'll take the male part. Here again, we'll go through the hole. Turn it over. Now we can put it right on the marble. It's not necessary to use the anvil. If you want, you can turn the anvil over and use it on the back side. Put the stud over top, put the driver, and again rotate it as you hit it, and we have a nice snap on the soft leather.